Welcome. Let's take a closer look at our Pro Warmer jacket. The Pro Warmer jacket was the very first jacket in our collection. From the very beginning, it was designed to be the best possible winter jacket for a dog to wear. Both jackets are made from the same premium technical fabric that was originally developed for professional human sports. However, the Provomer jacket takes the warmth to the next level by combining this advanced multi-layer structure with a high quality, soft inner lining inside the jacket, which makes the Provomer jacket even warmer. So what does the membrane technology do? It blocks the cold air, rain, and wind outside while the jacket still remains highly breathable. Your dog will always stay dry and warm and feel comfortable with the Pro jacket even in harsh winter conditions. When this level of weather protection is combined with the stretchy and soft feel this jacket has, the result is a perfectly comfortable winter jacket to wear. This material never gets stiff or noisy, not even in freezing conditions, so your dog will always have a pleasant feeling with the jacket. A great design in a dog jacket plays a major role in supporting your dog's well-being. The Promo jacket is designed to fully cover the big muscle groups and joints, both in the front and back, and it still allows complete freedom of movement for front legs. It doesn't restrict any movement in the front. A good fit also ensures that the jacket stays perfectly in place, also when your dog is running free at high speed. And look at this, how nicely it adjusts to the dog's own body shape here in the chest part. And because the reflective edgings are also really soft and stretchy, it doesn't bother your dog, even if your dog is skin sensitive or doesn't have a lot of hair. The Provama has a long multifunctional collar that provides warmth from ears to tail. This is a particularly nice feature for dogs who have cold sensitive ears. The hood can be worn fully up if you want to cover the ears, or you can fold it down if your dog doesn't want to have it fully up, or you can tighten it behind the ears to still cover all the neck. This high quality reflective edging gives great visibility from all directions. And of course, these bright colors also improve safety in dark winter conditions. We tested the Provo jacket in minus 21 degrees. It was really freezing winter conditions also here in Finland. And a half an hour walk with our dogs. After that half an hour, the temperature inside the jacket was still plus 13 degrees. So the Provo jacket could keep the temperature inside the jacket also in that kind of freezing conditions, still 34 degrees higher than the outside temperature. That's pretty amazing. In short, the Pro Warmer jacket is the jacket to choose if you want to keep your dog perfectly warm and perfectly comfortable in all kind of winter conditions, even in extreme cold. It's always a pleasure to ship these jackets to new dog owners. We always know that there is one more dog to get the perfect winter jacket. During the 6 years we have been selling these jackets, the 6 winters, the feedback has been amazing. It has been excellent. So thanks for considering shopping the Pro jacket for your dog. See you again. Thanks for watching. Bye.